Okay, let's do some theory or first steps in integration by U-Substitution. We're going to pretend we're back in the other class, Maths B, methods, whatever you want to call it. We know that the integral of that is just going to be x plus 3 to the 6 on 6 plus c. We already know that, but let's just see how it works. It's called U-Substitution. I'm going to set u equal to x plus 3. I'm going to differentiate it. Du dx equals 1. Seems strange, but I'm going to multiply both sides by dx. So du equals dx. So see that dx? Let's see how we go. Let's do the substitution. So you can see this x plus 3, my integral becomes the integral of x plus 3, which is u to the 5th dx, but dx is actually du. So it's going to be u to the 6 on 6, and this u is our x plus 3 equals x plus 3 to the 6 on 6, which is what we knew it was going to be, but that's actually how it works. We need to know how it works so that we can do harder stuff that we couldn't do in the other class. We know that the integral of this is going to be to the 9 on 9, and then we need to multiply by the derivative of that little thing in there, times 3. But how does that work? Set u equal to, so du dx is 3, du equals 3 dx. So we've got this dx here, but we're missing a 3. So I'm going to get this integrand of, so I haven't really changed anything. It's going to multiply by 3 and divide by 3 all at the same time. So that's 3 on 3, 3 on 3. So I'm just multiplying by 1, but some inside the integrand and some outside of the integrand. We know we can do that. There's a linear rule of integration there. So you can see that we have now got this 3 dx, so that when we do the substitution, I can go 1/3 u to the 8 du, which is 1/3 u to the 9 on 9, which is, well, u was our 3x plus 7, 9 on 9 times 3. That is this thing here. Okay. We should be able to spot that that's the derivative on top of the function. So we just know from the other class that that's going to go to the natural log of. But how does it work? So let's set u equal to x squared minus 3x plus 7. So du equals, I'm going to break that up, equals, let's go 1 on multiplied by, you can see why I've set it out like that, because now when I do my substitution, I get the integral of 1 on u du, which is just log u, and u is this x squared. So that's how it works, substitution. Last one, I promise, because we haven't done, we've just done Maths B work so far. So you know we've got to play around a little bit here, because I want the 2x instead of 6x. So I want to factor the 3 out, the integral of 2x plus 5 on so that's that concept of taking that 3 out the front. Numbers can go in or out. And then in here is just the same as that last question. So there's some basics. We need to know that before we move on. So just do a little bit of practice on that, and then we'll get to some specialist work in the next video.